Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. I am going to do a video today about using QuadrigaCX. Very simple, very quick video. I've always promoted them and I always recommend them for very few reasons, and I'll tell you right now. It's Canadian, that's very important. A lot of the exchanges around different countries, they get hacked, they're not very trustworthy, and they're not very simple in terms of process to actually sign up, use them, and so on. A lot of them, especially the ones in the US, they report to the IRS, and if you have an account with them, whatever you do, it doesn't matter if you're US or not, it gets reported. And if you care about privacy, you don't want that. Here in Canada, yes, there is some reporting, but for transactions above $10,000 or $10,000 and above. For smaller transactions, for everybody else, you don't probably want your information going around. So, as a Canadian company, I support them. Also, whatever you store there, Bitcoin, is in cold storage, so it's safe. They don't have it just lying around in a random wallet they're using. There's companies actually that work with companies or exchanges to set up their wallets, and here they use cold storage. Now I'm going to basically go over a few things. So once you have used my referral link and signed up, did the verification process, which shouldn't take too long, whether it's with Equifax or just uploading your ID and getting it verified. Once you're verified, the first thing you want to do is go to your dashboard. Now I'm using this very simple account that I set up. I have some things blocked out, but once you go to your dashboard where you're logged in, usually the default is XBT and Canadian or US, whatever. You will want to go to your dollar currency, fiat currency, and fund the account. Now I have already pre-funded. I did basically interact online before I start the video. Basically, they take a $5 fee. I did a funding of $300, so I get $295 in my account. And what I'll do right now, because this is very fast, this instant, it's the best. I always use it for quick transactions. Now, right now, if we look at the market overview for Bitcoin, there is a dip. Now, as you see, it always goes up, dip, and so on. It's always like that. Now we're in a dip, and that is a great time to buy. Always a great time to buy, and then it will rise up again. The reason there is a dip now, people are cashing in that are using Bitcoin for the first time or bought into it recently. A lot of Wall Street money is going into Bitcoin, so they're cashing in on profits. So this is a good time to buy. Whenever there's a dip, always buy. You can always set it when it's going up. Now, before I start this video, buy is at 5,350. I apologize, and the lowest selling order is 5,500. Now, what we'll do is actually simply here do not use in the dashboard at all this window for buying and selling. It does it for you automatically. I always recommend going to trade and actually setting the trade yourself. Now, if you click on what's available, it loads based on the recent sell order, or this person is selling his Bitcoin for 5,500. It loads that price to instantly buy. Do not do that. What you want to do is actually change this price, to whatever the lowest here on the buy orders. You want to buy cheaper than whatever this person is selling, or the least, because there's always somebody that's going to come. It's like, oh well, I want to sell really fast, so I'm going to put an order here. So right now, I want to buy quickly, just for this example. I adjusted the price. I click on available to adjust the amount of Bitcoin I'm going to buy at this price. So I place the order, and it gets listed right here. Actually, somebody came in and they placed a buyer order for $21,204. That's a huge order for almost 4 Bitcoin. Imagine having 4 Bitcoin and getting this much money. It's pretty crazy. Anyway, I have my accounts here blocked out because I don't want you to release that information. But anyway, so basically, people are going to keep pushing that price up, and people over on this side will keep pushing the price down, where you'll get an equilibrium and a trade will be made. Now, I'm not in a very quick rush to do this, but basically this is it. But for this case, for the sake of this video, basically showing you how to do and place this, you can always cancel it and then redo this again and again until you actually make your purchase. But I'm not very interested in wasting money. I want to get the best price, more Bitcoin at the best price. So I'll stick at 5,355. This will go on for a little bit, but eventually it does, a trade does go through. And the best thing about this exchange, they don't take a lot of fees. The fees are really, really low. And I discussed that in an earlier video. Over here, if you click on your Bitcoin, click withdraw, and you will get to this window where you can withdraw your Bitcoin. You click on maximum, and it enters your Bitcoin here. And in the address, you just enter your Bitcoin wallet address. I use Bread Wallet. You can use Mycelium or any other one. I recommend Bread Wallet. They don't have any issues with it, bugs or anything like that, and they're pretty quick to resolve anything. Yeah, the transaction pin, you just enter that. It's whatever you set up during your sign up, and you click submit, and that's it. Enjoy, you guys.